Hello everyone, Pi Network Mainnet launched. Here's the latest Pi coin price. This milestone marks a long-awaited moment for early adopters who have been mining Pi for years. Users can now buy, sell, and trade Pi coin like any other cryptocurrency. The wait is finally over as Pi Network's open mainnet has officially launched, enabling users to transfer their Pi coin outside the network for the first time. Pi coin is now available on prominent cryptocurrency exchanges like OKX, BitGet, and CoinDCX, marking the beginning of genuine trading, value, and investment opportunities. This milestone marks a long-awaited moment for early adopters who have been mining Pi for years. Users can now buy, sell, and trade Pi coin like any other cryptocurrency. As the market adjusts, prices are fluctuating, but one thing is certain: Pi has officially joined the ranks of major cryptocurrencies. Pi coin's price is currently experiencing significant volatility following its mainnet launch. Pi coin is trading at $1.50 on OKX and $1.20 on BitGet, Crypto Times reported. Investors should exercise caution due to the risks associated with cryptocurrency trading, as prices can fluctuate rapidly. The move to enter the open network opens the way for external connectivity on the mainnet blockchain, enabling Pi to interact with other networks and systems. Sharing the news about the launch, Pi Network on Wednesday wrote on X, "One day left before Open Network's launch at 8 a.m. Universal Time coordinated on February 20, 2025. The transition to Open Network will enable external connectivity on the mainnet blockchain, allowing Pi to interface with other compliant networks and systems. This means pioneers will be able to engage in transactions beyond the Pi ecosystem, expanding Pi's utility and reach." Notably, Pi Network happens to a unique cryptocurrency platform that combines social features, development tools, and real-world uses. It allows users to easily mine and send Pi coins using their mobile devices. Additionally, it also supports various apps built on its blockchain.